Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to liquidate an unsecured or secured promissory note. So first you want to log into the online portal, then you want to look for the quick links box, and then click Sell Asset. Select your account, select the asset, click Next. Then you want to complete this form and submit it to us. In the event you need to give the wire instructions or ACH instructions to the borrower, you can do so just by going back to the online portal, clicking on Dashboard, finding the quick links box again, and then click on Delivery Instructions. Here are our wire, ACH, and check instructions for you to provide the borrower to send us funds. And that's how to liquidate a promissory note. Thank you.